Okay, I'm going to go over question 5 and 6 on the study guide. So let's say we've got something like this, x squared plus 8x plus blank. It's best to visualize this with x squared as a big square. The x's are long, skinny strips, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we need to fill in this empty spot, and so we're just going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. And so 16 is our missing number. And then beneath it, it says somewhat confusingly, write the perfect square trinomial as a product of two factors. What that really means is just write x plus 4 squared. And that's because this shape right here, this is x. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 4. So this is x plus 4 tall, and it is x plus 4 wide. And so we can call this x plus 4 squared. Okay, let's do another one for, I'll just do another one really fast. This is another example. Let's do one with a minus. With a minus, you take half of negative 10, which is negative 5. And when you square it, negative 5 times negative 5 is positive 25. So I'm going to give you two to practice. First of all, I want you to practice this one where everything's positive. X squared plus 16x plus blank. Go ahead and fill in that missing number there. Great. If you put 64, that's correct. And so underneath it would be x plus 8 squared. Half of 16 is 8. 8 squared is 64. Let's do another one. Let's do one with a minus. X squared minus 2x plus blank. So half of negative 2 is negative 1. And our missing number is negative 1 times negative 1, which is positive 1. Okay, so the process is you take half of the number, it goes in here, and then you square it, and it goes there. Because x squared, 2x, the 1 goes right there. That's the 1. Okay, let's do number 6. Number 6 is kind of the same idea as number 5, except it's like a triple or double or quintuple version. Let me show you an example. Let's say we've got 2x squared plus 8x plus blank. Now, the wrong way to do it, don't do this. The wrong way to do it is to take half of this as 4 and square it as 16. I'm going to show you why this is the wrong way. What's going on here is I have two squares. 2x squared means I got two of those squares. I have 8 x's. Remember, x's are the long skinny ones. We're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, what do I need to complete these boxes? I need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the answer to this guy is actually 8. Okay, let me do another example before I set you loose to do one. Let's say we've got 3x squared plus 48x plus blank. Okay, I've got three squares. 1, 2, 3. I've got 48 that I want to divide up between the 3. That means each of these gets 16x. 16x's, 16x's. Now these 16x's, we're going to put 8 of them here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I start drawing dots. And obviously I don't want to draw all these dots, but I have 8, and I have 8, right? Half of 16 is 8 by 8. And 8 times 8 is going to give me 64. So 64, 64, 64, and my answer is whatever 64 times 3 is. Okay, 64 completes one of my squares, but I'm completing 3 of them. Okay, here's one for you to practice. Let's do this guy. Let's do 5. No, let's start easy. Let's do 2x squared plus 12x plus blank. All right, give this one a try. All right, so 1, 2 squares, 12x's, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. This one needs 9, this one needs 9, and so your answer there is 18. Let's do one with a negative, and I'll show you it's really the same thing. Let's say we have 3x squared minus, I don't know, let's do 12x plus blank. So for this one, we've got 3 squares. we have minus 12x. So 1, minus 2, minus 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So this is minus 2 and minus 2. Now, negative 2 and negative 2 multiply is going to give us positive 4. So we still need positive 4, positive 4, positive 4. So essentially, you can ignore this sign when you do question 6. You're always going to get a positive number here. Okay, here's one for you to try with a negative. Let's do 10x squared minus 80x plus blank. Okay, I gave you some hard numbers on this one, didn't I? We got 1, 2, 3, I got 10 squares. 80 x's, I'm dividing them up between my 10 squares. So each one gets 8x, 8x, 8x. 8x 10 times gives me my 80. So I have 8 x's, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 16 to complete it, 16 to complete it, 16 to complete it, 16 to complete it. So each of these needs 16 squares, or 16 dots, and so 16 times 10 is 160. Okay, so that's it, guys, for question 5 and 6.